大家好，我係老 Sir。今日咧，我哋會講 Form 1 Chapter 0 Part B Factors and HCF 因素及最大公因數。Factors 因數 If a given number is divisible by a natural number, then the natural number is a factor of the given number。假如一個數係被一個自然數整除，咁嗰個自然數咧就叫做呢個數嘅因子啦。例如 since 20除4等於5，因為20除4等於5。20 is divisible by 4， 20就係被4整除，所以4 is a factor of 20， 4就係20嘅因子啦。On the other hand， 另一方面 ，if a given number is expressed as a product of two natural numbers, then each of these natural numbers is also a factor of the given number。另一方面，如果一個數係能夠展示成為一個積兩個自然數嘅積，咁呢兩個自然數咧都係因子嚟嘅，係嗰個數嘅因子嚟嘅。Let us list all the factors of 20。等我哋列出所有20嘅因子啊。20都係1乘20，亦都係2乘10，亦都係4乘5。當佢哋去到最盡嘅時候，4同5好近嘅時候，中間冇得夾住任何嘢，咁就停止啦。Therefore， 因此 ，the factor of 20s are 1、2、4、5、10、20。下一個 concept。HCF In the primary school 喺小學 we have also learned how to find the highest common factor。我哋亦都喺小學學咗點樣揾最大公因數 of a group of numbers by listing their factors， 透過列出佢哋嘅因子。Factors of 18 18嘅因子有1、2、3、6、9、18，因為18可以寫做1乘18、2乘9同埋3乘6就冇啦。Factors of 27 27嘅因子有1、3、9、27，咁27可以寫成1乘27，亦都可以寫成3乘9，跟住就冇啦。咁咧1、3、9 are the common factors of 18 and 27。咁1、3、9都係18同27嘅公因子嚟嘅。Among these common factors, 9 is the largest。咁喺呢啲公因子之中咧，9就係最大嘅。Hence， 因此9 is the HCF of 18 and 27。咁18同27嘅最大公因數咧就係9啦。